Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can use Haiper AI. In order to do so, here we are at Haiper.ai. And once you're all logged in, then you should see a screen similar to this. And you can see here up at the top, we have a variety of options to choose from. We have text to image, text to video, image to video, extend duration, and video enhancer. And as you can see here, we have a variety of examples that other people have created. So we can go ahead and just take a look at some of the creations that other people have made. And one thing I could tell you from using Haiper myself is that the results are somewhat inconsistent, but you do get some good stuff. Like there are occasions where you can get some really nice results. Here's an example there. But if we take a look at this one here, then you could see yeah, it looks pretty good, but then it's kind of some morphing going on, sort of the same thing here. This is probably intentional in terms of the prompt that somebody made, but you can just kind of see there some of the morphing. But this here is an example of a better example of something that's more quality. You could see there is some really nice results that are possible with Haiper. And I would say Haiper is one of the earlier generators that came out, and they are really quite generous with their credits. They do offer free credits that you can use. And we'll just go ahead and take a look at some of our own creations. So you can see here, this is just a basic cityscape and looks pretty good, but also somewhat simplistic. And you do see a little bit of morphing kind of going on. And the results, it's like many generators, it depends, and it's always a bit of a roll of the dice. Sometimes you need to do multiple generations before you really get what you're looking for, but oftentimes you can get some really nice results with Haiper. And here you can see we've got a nice cityscape, but we only get here about this says 6 seconds. But it looks as though it kind of takes a few seconds before there's any movement coming through. So really depends. And sometimes you have to try a few generations before you really get what you want. But I would say that as far as a generator goes, Haiper is one of the earlier ones that came out, and the results, they're not too bad. I would say that other platforms have kind of come out in front, like Hailu and Kling, and other examples of generators that have really taken the medals as far as generation goes and have some really quality stuff. But you can definitely try out Haiper and see if it works for you. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.